Have you achieved anything big using the law of attraction? I have always been a believer in the power of the law of attraction. I believe if you believe something can be achieved, and you put the effort and energy into it, it can be done. I recently had the opportunity to put this belief to the test. For the past few years, I had dreamed of traveling to a certain part of the world. I had read about it, researched it, and imagined what it would be like to be there. I decided to use the law of attraction to bring this dream to fruition. I visualized myself being in the place of my dreams, and I put out positive energy that I would be able to make it happen. I also made sure to take action, such as researching flights and accommodation, to make sure I was doing my part to make this dream come true. Nepal is one of my bucket list. I imagine trekking with Himalayan mountain as background since I read Tintin comic book while I am child. And it worked. A few years later, I found myself in the place I had been dreaming of. Trekking 9-day to Annapurna Base Camp with my friend in 2015. I was overwhelmed with the beauty of the place and grateful for the opportunity to be there. Before that, one of my friend told story about her family holiday to Sentaram Lake in Borneo. And I just feel like someday I will be there too. And after several years later, almost every year I'm visiting Sentaram Lake. Since then, I have been using the law of attraction to continue to reach my goals and dreams. It has been an amazing journey, and I am grateful for the opportunities it has given me. Stay positive and believe in yourself.